Welcome students. In part of chapter 4 statistical distribution of system of particles, we will see behavior of density of states of system. Density of states is defined as the number of phase cells or microstates per interval of energy at a certain value of energy of system. It is denoted by omega of E, whose energy lies in between energy range E and E plus delta E. Omega E is directly proportional to delta E. Here W of E, that is the density of states, is independent of size of delta E, which is taken as a smoothly varying function of E. So omega of E is equal to E raised to F, where F is the degrees of freedom of system. From this we can conclude that density of states changes with change in the function omega of E with respect to e raised to f. Consider two systems A and A dash are in thermal equilibrium. There is thermal interaction between these two systems. They have energy E and E dash respectively. They are exchanging energy between each other. So they are said to be in thermal contact. Omega of E is equal to number of microstates in A between energies E and E plus delta E, and omega dash E dash with the number of microstates of A dash system between energies E dash and E dash plus delta E dash. Further, probability of combined system, that is P of E dash, is equal to C0 omega dash E dash, according to basic principle of equilibrium state. P of E dash, that is probability of combined system, is maximum. By applying condition for the maxima, we get beta of E, which is equal to beta dash of E dash, is the condition for systems in thermal equilibrium, where beta is equal to 1 by kT and it has dimensions of reciprocal of energy, and K is the Boltzmann constant. If we consider a system in thermal contact with a heat reservoir, that is system A is in contact with system A dash. Small system A is in thermal contact with reservoir system A dash. We have to calculate probability PR of finding the system A in a particular microstate R having energy ER. The probability is given by PR is equal to e raised to minus beta ER upon summation of e raised to minus beta ER, where e raised to minus beta ER is known as Boltzmann factor. This probability distribution is known as Boltzmann canonical distribution. Canonical distribution only deals with exchange of energy. An ensemble of systems which are in contact with heat reservoir at temperature capital T and have distribution given by this equation is called as a canonical ensemble. Next we see what is the thermal interaction. An interaction without a change in external parameter is known as a pure thermal interaction between the systems. In this type of interaction, there is no any exchange of external parameters like pressure, volume, etc. Let us discuss a thermal interaction between two macroscopic systems from the energy point of view. Consider one macroscopic system A1, a hot metal sphere at temperature T1, and another macroscopic system A2, a large amount of water in a reservoir at temperature T2, which is less than T1. When a water sphere is immersed in water reservoir, they interact with each other. As a result, some thermal energy is transferred from system A1 to system A2. However, total energy of a combined system is constant. Heat lost by one system is equal to heat gain by the other system. In the equation, Q2 is equal to minus Q1. Q2 is positive as heat is gained and Q1 is negative as heat is lost. Next is mechanical interaction. An interaction occurring through the changes in external parameters is known as pure mechanical interaction. As shown in the diagram, A1 is a system consists of gas in a cylinder and A2 is a system consists of frictionless piston and adjustable weights. Let capital P be the pressure of gas on a piston having area S. Total work done by system A1 during displacement delta x equal to Px into delta x. Work done on a system A2 is given by delta W2, which is equal to minus mg into delta x, where mg is the total weight of A2. As a result, there is increase in gravitational potential energy. This we can conclude that work done by system A1, that is delta W1, is equal to work done on system A2 equal to minus delta 2. We have seen in thermal interaction, as the system is isolated, the external parameter can not interfere in system's interaction. But in mechanical interaction occurs through the changes in external parameters like volume. In general interaction between two systems, the external parameter phi does not remain constant and systems are not thermally isolated. As a result, a mixed interaction, partly thermal and partly mechanical, takes place. As shown in the figure, A and A dash are the two systems separated by diathermic wall. Diathermic means which can pass heat. System A and A dash neither adiabatically isolated nor their external parameters kept fixed. So mean energy of the system A increases because heat energy is transferred to it and work done on it. Heat energy is passed through diathermic wall. Increase in mean energy of a system given by equation delta U bar is equal to capital Q plus W, where Q is heat transferred and work done denoted by capital W. Work and heat energy refer to energy transfer in different ways during interaction process itself.